Well, we have installed Mongo's module to connect our Node.js application with our Mongodb server. We have also used body parser and method override parser. We have connected to company database. We have defined our schema, and ID is string, name is string, age is number, and also created a model. Our named collection is EMP following the schema. So now in this video tutorial we will show you how to insert data into your database from your Node.js application. So inside our public directory we have a index.php, that is index.html page. I'll quickly go ahead and write a form because we need some form for facilitating the user to enter his data. If you have watched our previous video, we had said our ID will be email address because we need to have unique key to represent a user, and that would be email ID in our case. So I'm using HTML5 tag, that is type is equal to number here. That would validate client side too. If someone enters string data, it doesn't take, it prompts the user to enter the number. Now before we go ahead, we need to have our MongoDB server running. So I'll open this. So this is our MongoDB server, which we started just now. So our application is present inside this folder. I'll simply go ahead and run our application to see if there is any errors. And there are no errors. It successfully started our server. Let's go to our index.html page. So as I said, since we are having type is equal to number, that is for age, in our HTML we can't enter string and submit like this. If someone even bypasses this client side validation, our server side schema will take care of validation, that is Mongo's module will take care of those validations. So now we need to create slash new route to parse the user entered data. So I'll go ahead and define my route. We have used get. Now I'll show you how to post data to the database. So post slash new, our callback function which takes request and response objects. Now we could declare a variable and then do our stuffs, or else I'll directly write new, our user, that is our new user. Inside that I'll pass in my value, that is the object, by following this schema because user has been bind to that schema via the named collection emp. So the id is email, it must be unique by the way. So follow this schema. Now name and age. Let me align this a bit. So we could even chain the save method here itself. Anonymous function which takes two parameters, that is error and document. We will check if there are any error. If there is an error, we'll simply output an error message. We could, since it is development environment, I'll output entire JSON object here if there is an error. Else I'll simply send some message. In the next video we will redirect. For now we will just send a message that is successfully inserted. That's it. This is how we parse the data and insert the value. But we have an error here. Well, this is obvious. I have inserted some colon here. It must be comma by the way, since it's an object. elements of an object key value pair. So now let's see, and it's running successfully. Let me open up and refresh. I'll give my email ID. This is unique key, by the way. You can't have two people register with the same email ID here. Submit. Successfully inserted. And our server is still running. That means it got inserted successfully. Now since we have underscore id as string, that is my email address, I can't have the same email id again. It will throw some errors. That is, there are some duplicate entries for that. So this is how we validate the data. If we enter some other email id and submit, it takes. So successfully inserted. So in our upcoming video we will see how to fetch these data we inserted just now, and going further we will also edit and delete the data in our upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends on Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Twitter, StumbleUpon, etc. Stay subscribed to technotip.com, and don't forget to like this video on YouTube.